Welcome to our head-to-head comparison between Squarespace and Wix. Today, we'll explore what each platform has to offer and help you decide which is best for you. Let's dive into the user interface. We'll compare the dashboard and design tools to see which platform offers easier navigation and usability. Templates play a huge role in website design. We'll analyze the variety and customization options available on both platforms. E-commerce functionalities can make or break an online business. Let's look into features for online stores in Squarespace versus Wix. Search engine optimization is crucial for online visibility. We'll evaluate the built-in SEO tools and features of Squarespace and Wix. Next up is a pricing comparison. We'll break down the plans and analyze the value for money offered by each platform. Customer support can significantly impact your experience. Let's examine the support options available for Squarespace and Wix. Performance and reliability are key. We'll discuss loading times and uptime statistics to help you make an informed choice. Not every platform suits every user. We'll identify best use cases, helping you understand who each platform is best for. In conclusion, both Squarespace and Wix have unique strengths. Depending on your needs, one may be the better fit for you. Thanks for watching.